Using less additives to achieve superior final product is a critical strategy for every manufacturer, especially when ingredient prices continually rise. Moreover, decreasing cost by reducing the time it takes to mix and dry that final product is equally important. This is why Gemco customers benefit from our technological advancements when compared to our competition. Let's explore the process results achieved by competitive brands, which utilize traditional equipment, such as pony mixers. A pony mixer operates much like a large-scale household blender. A spinning blade in a pot creates a centralized area of turbulence in the material, while additives are dripped into the material bed, performing a process called wetting. This technique has been proven to be very inefficient and ineffective. First, the mechanics of traditional mixers, by design, force the material bed outward, leaving dead spots or static areas inside the pot where material moves more slowly or remains stationary. This means some portions of the mix will receive more additive than others. Second is a cost savings issue related to those expensive additives. Because additives being dripped into the pot initially come in contact with a very small portion of the material, they get quickly absorbed into the material bed. The typical customer response would be to add more additives to achieve the desired concentration within the mix, thus driving up the cost. Third, because the customer is now wetting the material with higher quantities of the additives, a longer drying stage will be required in order to achieve the targeted results. Gemco blenders are designed so that not only do they reduce the amount of expensive additives needed to achieve the same results, but also reduce the amount of time it takes to process these materials. To address the first issue with traditional mixer dead spots, Gemco's blenders apply even turbulence in all corners of the mix through a combination of macro and micro blending. Macro blending is achieved by the rotating double cone-shaped vessel, allowing the material bed to fall away from the walls of the vessel. This flow sets up a repeatable pattern that directs the processed material towards the spinning agitator blades, located in the center. The agitator blades then comprise the micro-mixing zone, where the fluidization or fine processing of the material occurs. The dual forces will evenly expose each particle 6 times more per revolution in comparison to competitive brands. On the second cost-saving issue, Gemco blenders offer 3 different options on how additives can be applied. The wetting method might suit some customers' needs, and it can be done by injecting the additive through the agitator blades. However, for those looking to maximize substance coverage with less additive, an airless spray nozzle offers highly advantageous options. These may be located either above the material bed or underneath it. The airless spray nozzles atomize the additives, allowing for initial contact with a larger surface area of the material bed. Because the application occurs within the micro-mixing zone, processing of the material is more efficient. With a decreased ratio of additive to material, the Gemco blender produces a far better quality and more cost-effective blending of product in comparison to competitive brands. This brings us to the competition's third issue, that of drying times. Gemco's technology allows for as little as 2 to 3% of additive use, in comparison to pony mixer technology, which must use up to 15 to 20% more additives in order to achieve the same results. When the cost associated with drying times is considered over a period of many cycles and batches, Gemco systems and technology has the clear advantage. For a personal demonstration of airless spray on a technologically advanced blending system, please call our laboratory today